Hello viewers, Jean here with the latest news about Mars. Liquid water found on Mars. Soft disclosure appears to be escalating. Yesterday, the 25th of July 2018, the European Space Agency announced that their Mars Express orbiter detected liquid water hidden under the planet's south pole. There's an interesting technical article referenced in this. I'll include the link in the video description below. Published to Science Mag yesterday, 25 July 2018. And they say that they surveyed an area approximately 200 kilometers wide near Planum Australae. I hope I've pronounced that correctly, and it's centered at 193 degrees east, 81 degrees south. We'll have a look at that in Google Earth Mars. So these are a couple of the images from the article. This is the area just next to the South Pole that they surveyed. These strips show the footprint of the radar. And this diagram here shows the depth at which they detected this anomaly, almost 1,500 meters deep. This is the same area from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter context camera, and the photograph was taken on 2015-03-01, 1st of March 2015. There's a close-up of the photograph, and yeah, we're having a look at the surface features. This is to the north, and some more anomalies to the south. So I'm not quite sure where this water was detected underneath this geology here. A little bit further down here, these craters, pits or holes, and this is where they detected that underground water. And about 1,000 kilometers to the west, we detected in a MOC photograph what looks like a water lake surrounded by looks like vegetation perhaps. This photograph was taken in 1999, so it was a little bit before that context camera image. This is that strip we're going to be looking at, specifically this area here. So what you can see is what looks like a lake, the shoreline, and then running across here what looks like an artificial structure with uniformly spaced round anomalies. And I think Will Ferrar from What's Up in the Sky did a video on this sometime in the past. It's all credit to him. And then that equivalent area from the HiRISE, taken on the 25th of June 2011, almost 12 years after the first Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter photograph, or MOC photograph, at a scale of 50 centimeters per pixel. So let's have a look at the cropped low res. We're looking at that anomaly there, that one over here to the top, and then a really strange crater or hole. So this is the smaller lake. about 1.2 kilometers long. And here's just a close-up of it to give you an idea of the geology involved. And then the larger lake is what we speculate from the MOC photograph. Yeah, those details that I showed you as equally spaced anomalies on the shoreline. So could those be artificial in nature? And I certainly speculate it may be. Let's go across. You can use the scale indicator bottom right to give an idea of how large the shoreline is. Check at the surface, it seems to have dried out compared to the photograph taken 12 years prior to this one. And also the what looked like vegetation seems to have disappeared, possibly dried out or died. I don't know the seasons of Mars. This could be during the winter, and the MOC photograph was perhaps taken during the summer, when we know lots changes on the surface that we've seen in a lot of other photographs where we detect liquid water flowing out of gullies and so on. So this is a look at the southern tip of the lake. It looks totally dried out or frozen over perhaps. And then that strange hole or crater or pit with what looks like a spider in the inside there. So as we know, SpaceX, Elon Musk is planning a trip to Mars, and I speculate because of the pressure that he's putting onto the other agencies and government departments, that the cabal or dark government, or what do you want to call them, the elites, feel pressured that they've got to come forward with disclosure, but they're doing it in drips and drabs, soft disclosure as we call it. Yeah, Elon Musk says that they're going to start test flights of the rocket going to Mars in 2019, and at the 2017 International Astronautical Congress he said that he plans to land at least 2 cargo ships on Mars by 2022 and by 2024. So these agencies that have been keeping secrets for decades now, I speculate, are under extreme pressure to come out with the truth before Elon's guys land on the planet and find out for themselves what's going on. And then also whistleblowers with their testimony and evidence of a secret space program. I think that prompted Donald Trump to come up with the Space Force idea. So I think this is all slow disclosure, guys. Alright, let's quickly have a look at where they found that water near the South Pole. This is now from the European Space Agency, and it's in this area near Planum Austral, I don't know how to pronounce that. And then to the west, let's just turn that up north. To the west of that, that's where we discovered the so-called lake. Let's just switch on the CTX mosaic. And we looked at this area over here. Okay, so they've discovered liquid water underground, so I guess the next step will be for them to say they've discovered liquid water on the surface. So let's check out the news. We live in very interesting times. I'd love to see what's next. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.